Okay, wait a second, let me catch. Donnie's been drinking again. Wonder what would happen if the Redskins won.
Ah, geez. God forbid we celebrate.
Hey!
I think she did. We always wish.
Okay, I'm videotaping you guys so you can like go on with your business and act like everything's normal, right?
Yeah.
So I'll make my rounds, I'll bug you guys for a while, and then I'll go get in the face of somebody else.
Take a shot of Miranda sleeping.
Okay, Miranda. I've got a.
Typical teenager.
Should I? Well, they need at least 14 hours a day, right? Sleep. Okay.